Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the index function in Excel. Let's get started. The index function is another powerful lookup function in Excel. You can use the index function to return a value in a table given a row and column number within that table. The easiest way to understand this function is to look at an example. Here, we have a table of data containing order information. Let's use the index function to return the value at row 1, column 1 within our table. To get started, let's enter the index command. As you can see, the index function takes 3 parameters. The first parameter to enter is the table or source of the data that the index function will use. You can provide either a range of cells or a named range for this parameter. For our example, we will enter the range of cells A2 to D6. The second parameter we must enter is the row position in the table where the value you want to look up is located. It is important to note that this is the relative row position in the table and not the actual row number in the worksheet. In our example, since our table consists of cells A2 to D6, row 1 would be cells A2 to D2, row 2 represents A3 to D3, and so on. Since we are looking for a value located in row 1 of the table, we will enter a value of 1 for the second parameter. The third parameter is the column position in the table where the return value can be found. Just like the second parameter, this value is the relative column position in the table and not the actual column number in the worksheet. A value of 1 indicates the first column in the table. A value of 2 indicates the second column, and so on. In this example, we will enter a value of 1 to indicate that the value we want to return is located in column 1 of our table. Now that we have entered all of the index function's parameters, let's complete the command to examine the result. You should see the value 10101 appear. This is the value that is found at the intersection of row 1 and column 1 in our table. This covers a simple example of how to use Excel's index function. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.